This tutorial demonstrates 3 great ways to copy formulas with the keyboard in Excel. A fast way is Paste Special. Begin by building your formula in the first cell. Hit Enter to finish. Copy the cell contents, hold Shift and the down arrow to select the cells below, call up the Paste Special box with shortcuts, type F for formulas, hit Enter to finish. A faster way is Control R. Use Shift and the right arrow to select the entire table. Complete the formula with Control R. The fastest way is Control Enter. Highlight the target cells and type the formula in the first cell. Instead of hitting Enter, press Control Enter. The entire table is instantly populated. For more Tuesday Time Savers, modeling tips, and Marquee group training programs, let's connect.